10 amazing facts about your body. Human anatomy explained. 1. Your bones are stronger than steel. Did you know? Ounce for ounce, human bone is 4 times stronger than concrete. Your femur, thigh bone, can support up to 30 times your body weight. 2. Your stomach's acid can dissolve metal. Stomach acid is so powerful, pH tilde 1.5 3.5. It could corrode iron nails. Luckily, your stomach lining renews itself every 3 days to avoid self-digestion. 3. You glow in the dark. Literally. Humans emit tiny amounts of bioluminescent light, but it's 1,000 times weaker than our eyes can detect. Science calls it ultra-weak photon emission. 4. Your blood travels 60,000 miles daily. All your blood vessels combined could circle Earth 2.5 times. Your heart pumps tilde 2,000 gallons of blood every day. 5. You lose about 4 kilograms of skin cells yearly. That's roughly the weight of a chihuahua. Most household dust. Dead skin. 6. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a bulb. Neurons create tilde 23 watts of power when awake, enough for a dim light. 7. Your DNA unraveled could reach the sun 600 times. Each cell contains tilde 2 meters of DNA. If you uncoiled all your DNA, it'd stretch over 744 million miles. 8. You're taller in the morning. Spinal discs compress daily. You're tilde 1 cm taller at dawn, like a human accordion. 9. Your eyes can distinguish tilde 10 million colors. But your brain often edits what you see. Fun fact, the mantis shrimp sees 12 primary colors versus our 3. 10. Your body has more bacteria than human cells. Microbes outnumber your cells *10 to 1 star. Most are essential, without them, you'd die. Your body is a masterpiece of evolution. Which fact shocked you the most? Drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-packed content. Stay curious.